Hi, my name is Diana and I want to present you my mini project about props dealing in mobX and redux. I created a page that displays video cards when users can like the videos. This is my presentation and I want to start with introduction. In the development of modern web application with React, special attention is given to managing component state. One of the basic approaches is prop drilling, passing data from parent to child components through a chain of props. However, as the project grows, this approach can complicate the structure to make state management more convenient. Libraries like redux and mobX are used. I want to present you example without props dealing redux or mobX. This is the update script where the header and video cards are rendered. Each video is displayed using the video component, which receives data from the videos array. The videos array contains objects in the following format: ID, title, channel name, and IMG. This code represents a React component called video, which is responsible for displaying an individual video, and it is interactive elements such as the like counter. The video component displays a video card with an image, title, channel name, and like counter. The user can click the like button to increase the number of likes. In the provided code, state management is implemented using the useState hook within the video component. Each video has its own independent like counter, initialized with the default count value 0. There is no need for complex state management mechanisms, as the state doesn't depend on other components or any global context. Go ahead and share your implementation using props drilling. I added new components, video container and video wrapper. New components have been introduced, adding intermediate layers between app and video. The app component uses the map method to iterate over the videos array and create a video container component for each video. This is an intermediate component that receives the props title, channel name, and IMG. It passes the same props title, channel name, and IMG to the video wrapper component. At this point, video container acts as a wrapper, simply passing the props down to the next component. This is another intermediate component that receives the same props title, channel, and IMG. It passes the props to the video component without any modifications. Like video container, it doesn't add any markup or logic of its own. In the code, props drilling is demonstrated by the sequential passing of props. For example, title, channel name, IMG from the app component rows, intermediate components, video container, and video wrapper, down to the video component where they are finally used. The props are drilled through several layers of components that don't use them directly but merely pass them along. This approach increases complexity and reduces maintainability, especially as the component hierarchy becomes deeper. This code demonstrates the use of mobX for state management in the React application, as well as a change in the approach to passing data to the video component. In the video store TS file, I created a video store class that stores an array of videos initialized with data from videos. They make auto observable. This method from mobX makes the class properties and methods reactive, allowing automatic tracking of state changes. The get video by ID method returns a video object by its ID or undefined if the video is not found. The video component now uses mobX via the observer hook from mobX React Боже, mobX React Legal. This is the video component. Now uses mobX via the observer hook from mobX React Lite, which makes it reactive to changes in the video store. Instead of receiving data through props, title, channel name, img, the video components retrieves its data directly from the video store using video store get video by ID, video ID. Previously, the data, title, channel name, img was passed as props from apps through intermediate components, video container, video wrapper to video. Now app only passes the video to video, and the video component retrieves the data, title, channel name, img directly from video store using get video by ID. This eliminates the need to pass data through multiple layers of components. Instead of storing video data in videos array and passing it down through props, the data is now kept in a centralized video store. This simplifies access to video data from any component connected to mobX and makes state management more scalable. The video props interface now contains only video ID instead of title, channel name, and img. Since those data fields are now retrieved from the store. The video props interface now contains only video ID instead of title, channel name, and img, since those data fields are now retrieved from the store. The intermediate components, video container, video wrapper have been removed as they are no longer necessary thanks to mobX being used for direct data access. Advantage of this implementation with mobX. No props drilling, data is accessed directly from the store, avoiding the need to pass props through multiple layers. Clean component structure, intermediate components like video container and video wrapper are no longer needed. Centralized state management, all video data is managed in one place, video store, improving maintainability. Reactive updates, components automatically rendered when the store's data changes. Scalability, easier to scale the app as the data structure grows more complex or is used across many components. Disadvantages of this implementation with mobX: additional setup complexity requires installing and configuring mobX and creating stores. And I want to speak about Redux. Redux is a state management library for React and other JavaScript applications. It is based on single centralized store where all of the application state is kept in one place. All state is in a single object store. The entire application state is managed within one central store. Changes only happen through actions, and reducer state updates are triggered by dispatching actions, which are processed by reducers. Disadvantages of Redux: boilerplate code. Redux requires a significant amount of boilerplate, such as actions, action creators, and reducers, making the setup more verbose compared to simpler state management solutions. A learning curve for beginners understanding the concepts of actions, reducers, and the flow of data can be challenging. Based on the changes I made, I concluded that mobX is a more suitable solution for the first project, as it is easier for beginners to understand and more convenient to use. It also works with plain objects and classes, which are familiar to beginners. You simply add data and methods, and mobX automatically makes them reactive. Unlike Redux, where you have to write actions and reducers, mobX allows you to modify the state directly, which significantly reduces boilerplate code.